Good evening, my friend. Pull up your favorite chair and let's have a little chat. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your eyes, and everything looks just a little clearer. And when you reach for your coffee, your grandkids' names come to you quicker than they have in years. Tonight, I'm going to share something gentle and natural that thousands of folks over 60 are doing right before bed. Just 4 easy bedtime juices that feed your eyes and your memory while you sleep peacefully. No pills, no fuss, just delicious drinks your body will thank you for. When we're younger, our body bounces back fast. But once we hit our wonderful 60s, 70s, and beyond, our eyes and brain need a little extra love, especially at night. While you're getting your beauty sleep, your body goes into repair mode. That's when it cleans house and rebuilds. These bedtime juices are packed with the exact antioxidants and nutrients your eyes and brain use overnight, almost like sending a gentle cleaning crew in while you rest. Think of it this way. It's like giving your eyes and memory a warm hug before tucking them in for the night. Our first gentle friend is the classic carrot and ginger tonic, perfect for seniors. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A, the #1 nutrient eye doctors say we need more of after 60 to keep the retina strong and fight night blindness. Ginger quietly improves blood flow to your eyes and brain. Many folks notice clearer thinking in just days. Super simple. 1 medium carrot, peeled if you like, a small thumb of fresh ginger, about half a cup of warm water. Blend it smooth, strain if you want it silky, and sip it warm about an hour before bed. Warm drinks are easier on older tummies and help you relax. Thousands of seniors tell me this one feels like a cozy blanket for their eyes. Next is one of my personal favorites, the Blueberry Sleep Boost drink. Blueberries are called brain berries for a reason. Studies on adults over 65 show they help slow memory decline and protect delicate brain cells. They're also gentle superheroes for reducing inflammation around the eyes. Here's the easy recipe. Half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Frozen are often sweeter and cheaper. 1 tablespoon chia seeds soaked in a quarter cup of water for 10 minutes. Gives omega-3s and makes it creamy. A splash of warm water. Blend it smooth. It tastes like a treat, not medicine. My viewers over 70 say this one helps them remember dreams again. How lovely is that? #3 is wonderful for dry eyes and night vision, very common after 60. Spinach is nature's richest source of lutein and zeaxanthin, the two nutrients proven to protect the macula, the part of your eye that keeps central vision sharp. We pair it with half a sweet apple for taste and gentle fiber. Recipe: 1 big handful of fresh spinach, about 1 cup. Half a sweet apple, Fuji or Gala work great. Half a cup of water. Blend extra smooth. Seniors don't always like leafy bits. Then sip slowly. Many of my friends in their 80s say their eyes feel less gritty in the morning after a week of this one. Our final drink is a gentle powerhouse, the Beetroot Brain Recharger. Beets naturally increase nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and brings fresh oxygen to your brain. Perfect if you ever feel a little foggy or low energy in the afternoon. Easy and mild version: 1 small beet or half a large one, raw or lightly steamed. 1 to 2 strawberries or a squeeze of lemon to soften the earthy taste. Half a cup of water. Blend well. Important, only enjoy this one 2 to 3 nights a week. Beets are strong and a little goes a long way for seniors. Folks write me saying, I actually remembered where I put my keys. Music to my ears. To get the very best results, finish your juice 45 to 60 minutes before bed so your tummy settles. Dim the lights and switch your phone or TV to warm night mode. It's kinder to aging eyes. Try 4 slow, deep breaths. In for 4, out for 6. It relaxes everything. Keep a little notebook by your bed. Many seniors say they remember more dreams and feel sharper doing this. Do these little things and you'll wake up saying, "Well, hello, bright eyes." My dear friend, your body has carried you beautifully through so many years, and it never stops trying to take care of you, especially while you sleep. Try just one of these gentle bedtime juices tonight. Pick whichever sounds yummiest. Your eyes and your memory deserve this little bit of nightly love. If you enjoyed our time together, please tap that subscribe button and the bell. I put out new senior-friendly tips every week, and I'd love to keep visiting with you. Sweet dreams, clearer tomorrows, and God bless. I'll see you very soon.